Hello, this is Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. If you're looking for a people hauler, gear hauler, this could be your ride. It's a one-owner GMC Suburban with a 5.7 V8. It's the SLE edition, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, just 46,000 miles and change on it. So nice looking rig. Getting to be that classic. You got that classic 90s flaring with the wheel lips going right into your steps, running boards, if you will. So nice rig, Western rig, its whole life, rust-free. Certainly nothing bubbling out on the paint. The underside is really dry. Yes, you'll see patina or surface rust on those underside photos, but certainly no pinholing rust, no flaking rust, nothing that's degrading the metal. It's just your common surface rust that you'd see on a driveline on a 2020 if you crawl up underneath that truck. So super solid, no accident history, one owner, non-smoker. We just put new 10-ply tires on it. We've just done the oil change and inspection, and I was hearing some music out of basically the serpentine belt area, and my mechanics diagnosed that as the AC, well, not the condenser, but the pump. There's a better word than the pump, but the AC unit up there. It'll come to me when I open the engine bay. But that's been replaced. AC's blowing cold, which even though it's coming up on Labor Day, record heat throughout the West, so nice to have. So good condition on the exterior. There's a few little scrapes and dings that you would expect on a 95, and I'll point those out. So if you're shipping this out long distance or coming in from long distance, it's not a surprise. So you got some music on the running board and a little scuff up that wheel lip. One very small ding up there, and that's about it. Your lights are clean, grill's intact, no cracking on the lights, factory wheels with all the wheel centerpieces in place, full roof rack, towing package, and then really just as clean as you would imagine on the inside. This went through our detail bay actually twice. I bounced it on the first one. I knew the guys could get the carpet better. I'm gonna get my cell phone out and get a flashlight, which they did. So 2 full details. Sorry, it's the end of the week. I'm struggling here. All the seats are clean. You can go fold flat if you like. Take the headrest off, and then that covers. This seat flap covers the gap on the 3rd row footwell, but headliner's clean. Again, all the user interface spots are nice and clean, not gummed up. Whoa, focus please. 4-wheel drive shift. All right. YouTube started playing. So uncracked dash, clean wheel, just a clean rig all the way around. I'll pop open the engine compartment and we'll give a listen to that. It's a spare wheel cover. I just have that off for the moment just to be able to show you the spare which still has the knobs on it, so that's new, very usable condition. Carpet's clean back here. You got the barn doors, the receiver for towing or bikes. Just take a peek through here. That's just easy access into that third row. You can slide that back easy enough. Doors shut easy enough. No funky gaps or hang-ups with the doors whatsoever. Lights are on, brights are on. You see that turn signal. New battery, all original, non-modified. Your new AC part right there. No funky ticks in that engine whatsoever. Nice thing about an engine like that, every mechanic everywhere in the United States, even your license plate lights are working. Turn signals, not gonna be able to show you the reverse lights, but parts are super available. If you cruise into Nevada, Wyoming, Michigan, what have you, everyone's gonna have parts for this rig. Super easy to work on and fix. Okay, I think I'm getting dizzy. You probably are by now if you're this far along. I'll end it by saying I'm Shep. I'm here at the beautiful Sun Valley Auto Club. If you've got an interest in this Suburban, just give me a shout. I can be reached at 208-721-1973, 208-721-1973, and we'll talk to you then.